How to enable location feature for Google Chrome browser. In this video, I will show you how can you easily allow location of your device on Google Chrome. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, firstly go to Google Chrome browser and click on the three dots at the top right corner. After that, scroll below to go to settings, click on settings option and then go to privacy and security. There you need to go to site setting. So scroll below and click on site setting option, and as you can see there's the option of location in permission. So under default behavior you have two options. Site can ask for your location or don't allow sites to see your location. So when you choose that option, all the option for site to see your location will be disabled. Now when you scroll below, you will see the custom behavior option. As you can see, not allowed to see your location. That means you can add certain sites to this feature so that they won't be able to access your location. After that, not allowed to see your location. Also, you can add site which you don't think is safe to access your location. And that's it. That is how easily you can enable your location on Google Chrome browser. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.